What's good? What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We're bringing another quick tip Tuesday. So welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video I did. Check it here. I'll leave a link somewhere. The first quick tip Tuesday, which I was going over how to, finesse the tape. You feel me? So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a digital backdrop for your custom. So you know how when they're doing product photography, right? And they got the fancy backdrop. They got blue, red, white, yellow, purple, whatever. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a digital one in Photoshop. So let's jump into the video.
All right, guys. So we'll be opening Photoshop. Now this one is one that I previously did, and this is what we're going to be basing this off of. We're just going to crop out the shoe. As you can see, I'm outlining it with the pen tool. Then we're moving on. We're going to mask it out so we only have the shoe. There you go, a nice pretty shoe. Now we're moving on to the color of green that we want. We're going to place down the base coat. Now we're going to use the circles as a light source to make the backdrop look a little more 3D. Now we're darkening the backdrop. Now we're adding some shadows. There you go. It already looks beautiful. Just doing some minor adjustments. Now we're adding the shoe back on. Now we're comparing the previous picture and the picture we're doing now. Now we're just adjusting what I did, what I scaled it down and rotated it a little bit. Now we're doing the shoe shadow. I just used an ellipse, two ellipses, and then for where the shoe is getting closer to the backdrop, I just used a paintbrush. And there you go, guys, a digital backdrop. All I got for you guys today for another quick tip Tuesday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next Tuesday where we'll be going over another tip. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, have a blessed year.